In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the February crude oil contract, which was up 4.2% on the highs today, 4.29% to be exact. Largest jump for crude oil prices since December 6th, and the first daily close above $80 since November 16th. First above 81 since November 11th. On the low side of things, 78.36. That was a slight gap higher. That was the low print for the February contract. We finished the day up over 81, as I mentioned, up almost 4% on the day. Libyan production is a little bit of a problem. They were down for a while because of pipeline issues. And then just as they were getting their recovery partially back to where it should be in terms of production, bad weather forced the closure of four oil export terminals. So supply coming from Libya has been interrupted, and this interruption comes from weather. So it's not something they can really do anything about. Again, it's not another repair that they can't get done. They just physically can't get there because of the weather and get that production back up to where it should be. So we do have a little bit of a supply restriction here in that data. Also, the dollar was weaker today, which is generally a bullish sign for crude oil. US dollar fell after the Powell testimony. It was slightly lower before, and it was based mostly on the fall we saw in yields. We saw the 2-year drop about 4 or 5 basis points. We saw the 5-year drop 2 basis points, the 10-year drop 2 basis points, all based on Jerome Powell pointing again to inflation being the big thing, even more so than full employment. So that helped push the dollar a little bit lower as the yields rose, believe it or not. And that was a bullish scenario for crude oil today, which finished today up almost 4%.